Welcome guys, Cream Bar back again with another reaction video. Today what you call Medz Boss X Kyler Slow Wine. I'm seeing something on my screen right now. A girl in another nice underwear, and I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but it's called Slow Wine. So I'm actually preparing myself right now. I'm preparing, mentally preparing. So we're gonna check out this video and see what's going on.
Love it how she wind up her body for the fuck that, yeah. She a wine and back it up. She a wanna come in my yard.
Yo, them girl that stripper, bro.
I look
a nice strip club.
See she loving the style. See it like I drive a wild one.
Damn, I can't see all the pretty toes, bro.
Just a fuck them girl and just a live real life. Yeah,
live one life.
Yeah, hot fuck. Me love it when me up inside they call me daddy. Girl, your pussy where you have and not for everybody.
Oh,
she
yeah, that
me
girl.
upset, but drum me cardi wine up your sexy body. Bring your pussy giddy poppy. Yeah, she link.
Funny enough, them nigga you think in like a strip club. Which, we don't know how I'm going with this, isn't me?
The way you feel like, do, girl, me the way you
wait, is it Trinidad? Trinidad this, bro?
Slow wine up your body, fit it and
like the video, I'm talking the video filmed in Trinidad.
Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't stop.
Does she wanna come in, so she climbing up.
Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't. Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't stop. Time pussy got me like that.
Skin up and the cocky like
that. With all the cheek, man, yo.
Slow wine,
squeeze up that.
Slow wine, pon it, me just love it how it feel when you climb it. See it, I can make some bad girl ride it. Love it when my joke and slap her like a my bitch. She fuck me like my mean, and I fuck me like my side chick.
Oh, you know what, bet?
Tight pussy got
you fuck him like a man, not a yo, but tell the truth, sometimes side chick girl them fuck you the best, bro, you see me? And it's because sometimes you have a side chick and then put it on fire better than your main chick, you see me? I love me, nobody stuff, I don't know about that.
Do what you wanna do,
just say
what you wanna do. Hug shit I got, she know me love you, boo. Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't stop.
Say she wanna come fuck, cause she know that.
Slow wine up your body, fit it
bubbly
and
dog,
don't
man, I
stop.
say, yo,
she wanna come in,
yo.
Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't. Slow wine up your body, fit it and don't stop. Tight pussy got me like that.
Skin up and the cocky like that. Love it how she wind up her body for the fuck that, yeah. She a wine and back it up. She a wanna come in my yard, dog, they turn it up, yeah. Dog, I lick her grab her top.
But you know that girl like ass look bigger than the whole body to blow. Like she can just crush him out. Look, her ass look bigger than his whole body. Dude, man, I can't manage that in you. Man, y'all pop down, you know. Man, that kill you, you know. In that video, man, alone half cheek. Yo, cool song still. Medz Boss. I think someone actually sent me Medz Boss. I didn't know about him, but I think someone actually sent me his personal song. So I'm probably gonna check out that. But this song was cool, you know, cheeks in it and everything. Yeah, can't go wrong with females, bro. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. If you like the video, share it.